In this lecture, we will learn how to perform mathematical operations on complex numbers. These important operations include addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We have already learned these methods in theory and practiced them by hand, performing addition and subtraction of complex numbers, as well as multiplication and division. Let us start with addition. If we want to add these two numbers, 2 plus 3j and 7 plus 5j, we just need to type z1 plus z2 in Python, and Python will handle all the calculations. If we run this cell, we will get 9 plus 8j. What does 9 plus 8j mean? During addition, the real part of the first number 2 is added to the real part of the second number 7, giving 9. Similarly, the imaginary part 3 is added to 5, giving 8j. In the same way, we can perform subtraction of these two numbers in Python. Now, let us move on to multiplication and division. For multiplication, if we want to multiply 2 plus 3j with 7 plus 5j, we place a star or asterisk between these two complex numbers. Python will perform all the calculations for us. Running this cell will give minus 1 plus 30, 1j. This is the same result obtained in theory, where we multiplied step by step to get minus 1 plus 31j. In Python, it is very simple, and we get the same answer quickly. Next, let us find the complex conjugate in Python. If a complex number is 4 plus 3j, we use a method in NumPy which is conjugate. Typing np conjugate of z1 will calculate the complex conjugate. Running this cell gives 4 minus 3j, finally division. In theory, division required multiple steps, including multiplying and dividing by the complex conjugate of the denominator. In Python, division is much simpler. We just type z1 divided by z2 and Python performs all calculations automatically. Running this cell gives the result of dividing z1, which is 4 plus 3j by z2, which is 7 plus 5j. Comparing with the theoretical result, we see the real part is approximately 0.392 and the imaginary part is 0.148j. In Python, mathematical operations on complex numbers are simple and fast, while in theory, especially for multiplication and division, calculations can take more time. The important concept is that before using Python, you must understand the mathematics of complex numbers by hand. This ensures that you fully understand and appreciate the power of Python.